Hey guys, we're back on another YouTube video today. I am checking out my favorite place. Well, one of my favorite places to go. And I didn't even notice, but you see that little dot right there? That's a tadpole. So, yeah, that's a tadpole. Well, I'm pretty sure that's a tadpole, but I'm not completely sure. But I'm pretty sure it's a tadpole. But yeah. I'm gonna be trying to drown some ants or something. Wherever they are. But just kidding, I'm not trying to drown some ants. But yeah, I'm just showing you the tadpole. But today, like I said earlier, this is one of my favorite spots. Because was one of my favorite spots. One, because there's a whole bunch of nature here. And two, there's tadpoles. Well, I'm not really sure that's tadpoles anymore, the way they're swimming, but I am almost, well, yeah, that's a tadpole, that's a tadpole. It's pretty cool. Oh shoot, hopefully I don't get stuck. Alright, but anyway, today's video, I'm checking out what Mother Nature's been doing while I was making all those inside videos. And I'm sorry if you can't see me. Sorry. I'm not showing my face that much. The reason why is because I just want to show you a lot of stuff. It's not even mainly about me. It's about nature today. So yeah. I can make it across. Yeah, there we go. That was a little bit of a challenge. I want to go up that hill. I'm not sure if y'all can see it, but I want to go up that hill. And I know in all the other videos, I keep saying, "Oh, I'm gonna get me a camera someday." Well, I can't get it passed down to me by my grandpa because I never have time to talk to him. So, a few, I think like 2 weeks ago, it was my birthday. 2 weeks ago was my birthday. I got $135, I think. Yeah, $135. So I'm really happy. And so, I found a camera that was like $38. I'm like, oh, I need to get it. But I'm not sure if if it has good camera quality. Hopefully it does. And hopefully it's better than my phone camera right now. And yeah. Even though this isn't really nature because people already been here, but I'll call it nature since no one's here and there's more bugs than there are people here, so yeah. Stepping on these rocks. Oh crap. Trying to make my way back across here. I kind of want to get wet, but at the same time I don't, so yeah. I want to get wet, but my mom said I'm going to get in trouble if I get wet. But I want to get wet anyway because it's freaking 100 degrees out here. And she says, don't get wet. I know what I just sound like. Sound like Miss Frizzle from that school bus. But yeah. The reason why I changed my picture for my video, it looks cool, but Wait. I'll let y'all know if I see some more tadpoles. Oh, I see some right here. Yeah, this camera quality sucks. So today I'm gonna try to walk all the way down here, without getting wet. And if I get wet, at this point, I'm dead. Or it's like, you can just clean it off. But from what my mom sound like, it sounds like it feels like I'm gonna be dead. But who cares? It's for the video. And I am so sorry, tadpoles, if I step on you, but I've been living longer than you, so, and I'm heavy, so y'all might wanna swim fast. So yeah, I am alone, so I'm talking to some tadpoles, and yeah, I'm talking to tadpoles. Shoot! Oh my gosh! How am I not wet? Okay. Try not to go into deep parts. Okay. Nope, that's not possible. Okay, I get it. It's in nature. Shut up. Run! Run, tadpoles. I'm sorry. Just run. Not hide under the dirt. Run. Oh shoot. Yeah, I'm so sorry for these tadpoles. I am not trying to step on them, but they're just so small. I can't even see them most of the time. It's kind of their fault for being made and for being camouflaged. I don't want to just touch me, but I am so. Oh my gosh, where are they coming from? Never mind. I'm not doing that. I'm going to make my way back across. Oh shoot! I have a feeling something's gonna sting me. I don't like that sound, so yeah, I'm just gonna get back across. And I'm gonna go the other way instead of going this way. Yeah. Was that an eagle? Is that an eagle? Hold on. Let me go. I swear that might be an eagle. Well, I'm gonna get some more tadpoles. So. You know, let's get the tadpoles. I think I saw an eagle. Trying to watch out for these wasps. Might be Japanese wasp. I feel sorry for myself right now because this is sewer water, but I don't care. Let me get me some boots. Shoot. Oh shoot, nope. Rattlesnakes. I saw a whole family over there. Dang. Saw a whole family of rattlesnakes over there. As soon as I went over there, they just started rattling. Whatever they make. Yeah, like that noise. I'm pretty sure that was either locusts or rattlesnakes. I don't know if you call it locusts or locusts, but I don't care. It was probably one of those, but I'm pretty sure that was a rattlesnake because I saw something crawling towards me, or slithering towards me. So But other people have been here before, so that's what that is. And it says, I'm not going to cuss on this channel, so it says anus. What is it? Those are the flies. Yeah, all the tadpoles are over there. There's none over here. Alright. I'm gonna go back one more time over here to show you the tadpoles. Ow. I keep not seeing that. Try not to step on any spiders or snakes. And this goes, shoot. Yeah, those bees are gonna get, those ants are gonna get stung because they're freaking just right in front of me, just knocked down a beehive that was hanging low. But yeah, I see some tadpoles, but I'm not sure if the camera can see it. But yeah, that was the video for today, guys. And I hope y'all can smash the like button and say happy late birthday for me and my mom. And I will be with DeAndre and some other friends. If y'all get me past 10 likes. I know I have terrible camera and all that, but if I can get 10 likes, then that would be the most fun, not fun, but amazing thing ever. Wait, actually no, I'm not gonna end the video here. I'm gonna show you one last thing. One teensy weensy last thing. It's a trail, by the way. It's like, I think 2 or 1 mile long. 1 or 2 miles long. Yeah. One last thing. This isn't it, but it's right here. I want to show you. Okay, I get it. You want to bite me? Dang. But it's just like a little pond thing. I think there's a tadpole right there. Nope, that was a bee trying to swim. Okay, never mind. And that will end the video. And yeah, that's it for today. Peace.